Hi guys, welcome back to Gizbosh YouTube channel, where you get all the latest information from the tech world right on your screens. In this video, we are discussing about WhatsApp's new audio playback speed feature. So, let's begin. WhatsApp has been in the headlines for its new privacy policy, for which it has been battling with the Indian government in court. However, this isn't stopping the company from testing and rolling out new features to its platform. The company was recently said to be testing multi-device support and the View Once feature. Now, WhatsApp has announced a new feature for the masses that will allow controlling playback speeds of a voice note. WhatsApp had initially introduced the playback speeds feature for voice messages last month for public beta users. Now, the company has officially released a stable version of this feature. The company confirmed the arrival of this feature via its official Twitter handle. Following the new update, you will be able to play the audio messages or voice notes at 3 different speeds. The new update will let you play the voice messages at 1.5x and 2.5x speeds besides the standard speeds. While the company had started rolling out this update to beta users last month, the mass stable rollout will be completed now. An update notification would be available on your smartphones. However, if in case you haven't received any notification for the same, you can check for the update via the Play Store or App Store on Android and iOS devices respectively. It is worth mentioning that this feature will also be available on the desktop version. You wouldn't need to download any specific update for the same. As far as the mobile version is concerned, you will see a new WhatsApp playback speed icon on your smartphones once this feature is available. Using this feature is also easy. While playing an audio message or voice note, you need to click on the playback speed icon once for 1.5x speed. The second click would increase the speeds by 2 times. Do note that this update only brings the option to increase the speeds of the audio message. There is no option available to slow down the voice note speed as of now. You will have to replay the message to listen to it at slow or normal speeds. We are not sure if the company will add the option to toggle down the playback speeds with clicks, or we just get the speed increase option.
That would be all for now. We will be bringing you all the latest technology trends just for you in the coming days as well. So, if you don't want to miss out on any new technology news, make sure you like and subscribe to Gizbot's YouTube channel. This is Sandeep signing off.